Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about colour theory, primary colours and how to mix secondary colours with paints. Being stuck inside means that we've got lots of time on our hands and you might as well learn a little bit about mixing colours so that you can buy just those 3 primary colours and mix any paint colour that you like. So, as you may already know, the primary colours are yellow, cyan, magenta and then black and white. So what mixes together to make secondary colours? Yellow and cyan make a green colour, and if you want a lighter green then you would add more yellow, and if you want a cooler darker green then you would add cyan. Cyan and magenta make a really deep purple, but the more magenta you add, the more pink it would become. Magenta and yellow make orange. It's quite a fiery orange, and again if you add more magenta then you would have a deeper orange, and if you add more yellow then you'd have a lighter orange. So in the colour wheel, which looks like this, you have warmer tones and then cooler tones. So what are warmer colours? Warmer colours consist of oranges, reds, yellows and all the combinations of these similar colours. These colours kind of indicate light or sunlight and heat, and the cooler tones are usually blues, greens or all purples that consist of more blue than magenta. Cool tones usually would remind you of like water and skies. That's just a little beginner's guide, I guess, into mixing colours. So that you can follow any of the tutorials that I will be posting in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a good old thumbs up, and if you want to see more like this then you can subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the other work that I do then you can check it out on social media and on my Etsy shop at Chloe J. Rickson Art. Have a great day guys, bye!